The former president can go on satellite radio, grab a bullhorn or megaphone for a loud and clarion call to all the men and women in uniform to gather and mount a coup against the commander-in-chief. But he will only hear all the sounds of crickets chirping in the background for a response. PTV's Patrick De Jesus on the AFP Chief of Staff assuring the public all chiefs in the service of commands of the military are solidly behind the chain of command and the leadership of their commander-in-chief.
Amid the current political tensions, the Armed Forces of the Philippines shrugged off the need for a loyalty check within their ranks. AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner Jr. had earlier urged soldiers to remain professional and continue fulfilling their duty to uphold the Constitution.
At this point, sir, there is no need for loyalty checks. Our Chief of Staff has already stated that he trusts that each soldier will perform its mandate accordingly and remain professional.
The AFP also appealed to steer clear or keep out of political issues following the statement of former President Rodrigo Duterte calling for military action.
Ang ine-emphasize natin dito, sir, the Armed Forces of the Philippines is a non-partisan organization. We respectfully request that we are shunned away from political issues.
The AFP assured the chain of command remains smooth and strong.
It will remain intact and secured. We take pride in being military professionals.
Meanwhile, the AFP is ready to cooperate in any investigation involving two of their officers mentioned during yesterday's House hearing on the alleged misuse of funds by the Office of the Vice President and DepEd. These officers are Colonel Dennis Nolasco, a security officer for DepEd, and Colonel Raymond Dante La Chica, head of the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group. The confidential funds were allegedly disbursed to them, who've been summoned to explain further in the next hearing.
Can categorically say they are active officers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Kung po ipapatawag sila sa investigasyon, makikipagtulungan po ang Armed Forces of the Philippines.
From the People's Television Network, Patrick De Jesus, Balitang Pambansa.